What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Psycho Mav here, back with another video. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my first one. Today we are going on a trip. I was sitting around doing nothing, and my buddy Dan called me and said, hey, let's take a trip. And I said, you know what? I'm going to take you up on that offer. We were planning to stay local. However, I decided let's go to New Hope, Pennsylvania. I've been talking about it all week. The weather finally cooled down, and we are on our way to New Hope, Pennsylvania. I heard a lot of good things about it. I heard it's like a biker city.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We'll grab some food, hang out, and head back down to Central Jersey. We're over here in Rahway, the 206 to 202, I believe, as my GPS is indicating. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about my equipment that I've been using for my videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And those that haven't followed me, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I will be posting the link down below. So with my equipment, so I do have a drone with me in my saddlebag. I'm currently recording right now on the Insta360 X3. I decided to go to the 360 because of the third person filming. I have to say, so far I am impressed with it. However, I feel like the quality is a little bit off. I have the drone is the Maverick Mini 2. I will be sending it up there in New Hope and doing a little overview video of the beautiful scenery with the mountains. So enjoy my ride. I'm gonna fast forward it a bit, and I will be back during my travels. Oh man, we're about 40 minutes out to PA right now. We're just cruising along 287. Dan, why are you pointing? Oh, shout out to Stick Cigars on the billboard. Make sure you check out Stick Cigars in Somerville and Rahway. Dan is the owner of Sticks, so make sure you check him out. And I'm like, why are you pointing? And then I seen he has the billboard on the side of the road. Alright, so like I said, we're about 40 minutes out. I'm going to keep on cruising and enjoy the scenery. we are back. We finally have arrived. We are not too far from crossing over the bridge into New Hope, Pennsylvania. That is a beautiful church right there. Love the structure. Man, this is my first time here, and so far I get a Cape May and a Key West vibe here. And I don't know if it's the old school buildings around or it's the scenery with the people walking on the street, but I feel like it's a hybrid of Cape May, New Jersey and Key West, Florida mixed together. And it's even more beautiful here weather-wise than it was riding up here. It took us a total of an hour and 10 minutes. And man, this was an awesome ride. I see that there's the train station diner, I believe, on the left-hand side there. Heard a lot of good things about it. But we're going to go over the bridge, take a look, grab some food, and head back to Central Jersey. I had to think for a second. Where am I? I'm so relaxed and at ease on this motorcycle here. Alright, we're getting ready to approach the bridge. And I see it opens up. Wow, this is amazing. It is beautiful. This is a true definition of peace here. I am so happy that I took this trip. It's well worth it. We're crossing over the Delaware River. So beautiful. If you like what you've seen here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Also follow me on Instagram at PsychoMavHD, PsychoMav MAVHD on Instagram. And once again, like, comment, and subscribe. There's so many motorcycles here. Wow. Weather's beautiful, like I said. Awesome trip. I am glad I was able to get out here today. And this was a random trip out of nowhere. Look at that beautiful view, ladies and gentlemen. That is amazing. We're stuck on a bridge here. Hopefully we'll find a good restaurant to go eat. And yeah. Thank you for watching. This will conclude my video.